Smile Sunday, dear friends. When we talk of energy healing, it is not always by a healer. If we want to improve on certain condition, health condition of our life, we have to channelize our own energies. Suppose we channelize the wind energy, there should be an idea how we should improve our health. If we channelize the heat energy, there has to be a passion. There has to be education in that field. We have to understand that why we want to do it and focus. So this is the way we can channelize our energies and work well. Suppose we want to grow our hair well, we must know what is the reason that we have hair fall. We have to understand if we have a thyroid problem, are we lacking in hemoglobin, various reasons, or is our diet not sufficient enough. So please take care, channelize all the energies and look after yourself. Keep smiling. Have a great Sunday ahead. Bye-bye.